Hey guys, welcome back to the Rockford YouTube channel. For this video, I want to show you these solder seal wire connectors. I'm going to show you how they work. This is the second time I've bought solder seal wire connectors. We posted a deal on my website, struggleville.net, a little while ago, and I liked them so much, I decided to get another set. I'll show you what they look like here. See, they're just butt connectors. Wire goes in either end. We got the metal band there, and that kind of melts, shrinks down. We're just going to use a heat gun to do that for us. So I'll show you how that goes. Another thing I really like, these are the best wire strippers in the world. By the way, I'll put links down below to both the solder seal and these connectors. So first thing we need is a little bit of wire. Oh yeah, we're stripping 2 wires at once. Boom. Amazing. Got our solder seal connector. We'll put 1 wire in through here. You see, we just need to make sure we're past the band. Stick the other one in the other side. You guys can see that. Alright, now we just need to apply the heat. I'm going to try and give you guys a close-up. We'll see how it works out. You're going to see this band actually shrink. The whole thing will turn really clear. And then once it shrinks, leave it alone. Turn the heat off. You want to let it cool. You don't want it, when it's real hot, to just yank on it, okay? And you're going to know that it's cool. It's going to start getting more opaque. It's not going to be transparent anymore. So keep an eye out for that. So we're going to use the heat gun on high. And watch the magic. Alright, you can see it's really transparent, and as it cools, it's going to turn gray again throughout, get more opaque. Once you get that, then you got a nice solid connection. I'm going to let this cool a second. See how it's turned into more of a opaque, milky color? That's how we know our connection's all set, ready to go. So there you go, guys. Solder seal connectors. Definitely worth giving a shot. Check them out. See what you think of them. I've been really happy. If you want to check out these Irwin wire strippers, I'm a big fan of those also. But I'll put links down below to both some solder seal connectors, a link on my website, and the same thing over here. Thanks for watching, guys. Give the video a like, subscribe, guys, subscriber. I'll see you next time.